Chapter 8 Srinivas Ramanujan Part 2.
Moving ahead in the chapter is the next exercise. Answer the following question. The first one is, what was unusual about Ramanujan at school? So answer is, Ramanujan demonstrated unusual mathematical skills at school. Second, how was he different from the others at the age of 14? By the time he was 14, he could solve the problems in trigonometry which even the college students could not. Moving ahead to third, why was Srinivas dejected by his college education in Tamil Nadu? Srinivas was unable to secure passing marks in any subject other than mathematics. He appeared 3 times for his FA examination but failed each time because he could not get passing mark in English, and so he was dejected. Who was Ramanujan's who saw Ramanujan's work in Cambridge? Why was his admission into the college unusual? G. H. Hardy, a famous mathematician, saw Ramanujan's work at Cambridge. His admission was unusual because the university admitted him without any application. Fifth, what was the cause of Ramanujan's poor health at Cambridge? Strenuous work, inadequate food, and loneliness were the causes of Ramanujan's poor health at Cambridge. Okay, moving ahead, complete the sentences. Ramanujan was mathematical genius as he made extraordinary contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fractions. Children, these are all the concepts of the maths. Okay, moving ahead to a mathematical society named after Ramanujan was Ramanujan Mathematical Society. It is also in a short form known as RMS. Activity 4. Match the word of column A with opposite in column B. So the multiply goes with divide, pass goes with fail, short goes with long, birth goes with death, and begin goes with the end. Now use the words given in a column B. So the column B words we have to use in the blanks below. There was a long queue at the exit gate at the end of the movie. The death of the president of the society made everybody very sad. Third, we had to stand in a long queue for tickets at the railway station. Fourth, mother said to her son, "You will fail in your exam if you do not study properly." Fifth, let us divide the class into 4 groups, the teacher said to her students. Okay, so for everything that I am doing in this activity, I will be sending you the PDF, so you don't worry. Activity 5. In magic grid given below, there are 5 hidden verbs. Find and circle them. They use those words in the sentences given below. So the first word is spend, second is heard, third is watched, fourth is slept, and fifth is told. Now the same words we will be using into the fill in the blanks. My brother slept all through the function. Second, we often spend our time watching TV in the evening. Third, I heard the sound of the blast while shopping in the market. Sheila told her mother that she would be late in returning home. The football fans watched the final of the match with a lot of expectations from their teams. So activity 6 and 7 is a grammar based activity. So this is a verb and tenses related activity. So this present perfect tense will be taken by Rupal ma'am in this academic year, and she'll be teaching you the tenses, and she will be taking care and making you understanding what does the present perfect tense means in detail. But over here I'll make an effort to make you understand in the simple way, and I'll try to answer the questions given over here. For the same, I'll be sending you the PDF so that you can write it in the textbook with pencil. Note that the present perfect tense is formed by using have, has, the third form. So the have and has will be used as a third form, the past participle of the verb. I have written a poem. So have written. We have lost a lot of money. Have lost is the answer. He has bought a beautiful vase. Has bought. That tall girl has gone to Canada. Has gone. Now complete the sentences using the present perfect form of verb given in the bracket. I have eaten a dozen oranges. The plumber has repaired the taps. The cobbler has mended my shoes. My friend have collected all the dry leaves. They have put them in a heap. The gardener will take them away. My friend has bought a gas balloon. Okay, so these are the activities of the grammar portion, which will be taught to you by Rupal ma'am in detail in this academic year. Fill in the blanks with suitable phrasal verb given in the box. Chanakya has gone down in the history as a great statesman. My neighbor have gone away for a few weeks to the hills. You may have some difficulty at first, but you will find it easier as you go along. The gun went off by accident, but fortunately no one was injured. The price of petrol has gone up. So these are the phrasal verbs, suitable phrasal verbs for the blanks. I'll be sending you the PDF of this. Activity 8 and activity 9 and activity 10. Activity 10 will not be doing because they are asking us to create an exhibition where the principal ma'am or a sir would come and give prize to the best exhibition, and this can be an exhibition of where we can express the mathematical puzzles also and experiments also, but this activity will not be going. And activity 9 is a fun puzzle activity which is an homework for you, and it's a fun activity which will not be discussed by me further. So over here we complete our chapter unit 8 Srinivas Ramanujan. You will be soon getting the PDFs for writing it in the textbook. You write that with the help of pencil. Thank you.